Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You'll start right away. Make sure your Dell is on and plugged in or has enough battery, because Windows may update device states. Once ready, open the Start menu in Type Settings or press Windows key plus I to launch it. This gets you straight to System Controls. Next, select Devices or Bluetooth and Devices to reveal Bluetooth controls. This step exposes the toggle and paired device list so you can turn Bluetooth off cleanly and understand what will disconnect. Now focus on the Bluetooth section. You'll see a clear Bluetooth toggle at the top of Bluetooth and Devices. Flip that toggle to off. This severs active connections and prevents new pairings. Make sure to watch the paired devices list. If you want a cleaner state, click a device and choose Remove to forget it permanently. Doing so prevents automatic reconnection later. If you prefer a quicker method, you can also disable Bluetooth from the Action Center's Quick Settings after confirming it's exposed there. Finish by verifying the toggle stays off and that your Bluetooth devices are no longer connected. This confirms the change took effect. If Bluetooth re-enables or won't turn off, open Device Manager, expand Bluetooth, right-click the adapter and choose Disable Device, or check Dell Quick Set /App settings that might override Windows. Once done, restart the laptop so Windows commits the change. If problems persist, update the Bluetooth driver from Dell Support to resolve persistent hardware or driver conflicts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.